In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently attach a file to an email using HubSpot. Whether you're reaching out to clients, partners, or team members, adding that crucial document or report can make all the difference. So let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can do it seamlessly. First, let's navigate to the Contacts section. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, head over to the top menu. You'll find a section labeled Contacts. Click on Contacts, and this will take you to your full list of contacts. This is essentially where all your relationship management in HubSpot begins, with everything linked directly to these contact records. Now you need to select the specific contact you'd like to email. Simply scroll or use the search function to find the contact record you want. Clicking on a contact's name will open their detailed record. It's really convenient as it provides you with all the interaction history and relevant details you might need about this person. Once you're within the contact record, focus your attention on the tabs available. Look for the Email tab and click on it. This is where you'll be composing your message. The interface here is user-friendly and straightforward, helping you focus on the content of your email rather than fumbling around with technical details. Now that you're ready to compose your email, go ahead and do so. Write the main body of your message. Make sure to include all the necessary information the recipient will need to understand the context of the file you're about to attach. When you're ready to attach your file, look for the Attach File icon, usually represented as a little paperclip icon in most email interfaces. Clicking on this icon will open up your options for attaching files. Here, HubSpot provides you with two choices. You can either upload a completely new file from your computer or select an existing file stored in your HubSpot file manager. If you opt to upload a new file, simply browse your computer for the file you wish to attach and select it. If you're choosing an existing file, navigate through your HubSpot file manager, which is particularly handy for files you regularly send, like brochures or standard contracts. Once your file is successfully attached, give everything a final review. Make sure the recipient email, subject line, and body text are all correct and convey your message clearly. Once you're satisfied, all that's left to do is hit send. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure that every email you send from HubSpot is accompanied by the documents you need right at the recipient's fingertips. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!